day. This is Franco Melangelo Tihipunya, and you are watching DPDS Special Science Elementary School Daily Newscast. DepEd Eyes to End School Year 2024-2025 by March 31, 2025. Start of school year 2025-2026 in June 2025. The Department of Education on Wednesday said they are looking at ending the coming school year 2024-2025 by March 31, 2025 to allow schools to start the 2025-2026 academic year on June 2025 and revert to the old school calendar. The statement comes after President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. said that he wants to bring back the old academic calendar by next year. As he noted, but with extremely high temperatures have affected the learning of students. Education Assistant Secretary Francis Cesar Bringas, in a televised briefing, said school year 2024-25 will begin on July 29, 2024, and will likely end on March 31, 2025. This will give students 2 months of vacation time before the start of 2025-26 calendar by June 2025.
Sa ating current school year, mag-end tayo ng May 31, 2024 at ang nakaprogram na opening natin for school year 2024-25 ay July 29 and we are looking now at the possibility of ending 2024-25 school year by March 31, 2025 para makapag-start tayo ng June 2025 para sa school year 2025-26. He said this means that the 2024-25 calendar year will be shortened only to 165 school days, falling short of the 180 to 220 days mandated by law. So, tititingnan natin because of the shortening of school year, masu-shorten yung contact days natin sa mga mag-aaral. Then, we will have to cope with the possible non-covering of some competencies, Bringas admitted.
Same time, he assured that the Education Department will employ several interventions that all needed competencies will be covered despite the shortened academic year. That is exactly the same reason why yung ating Bureau of Learning Delivery ay gumagawa na sila ngayon ng concrete plan on the implementation of the curriculum for a shortened number of school days. Thank you for watching. Again, this is Franco Melangelo Tihipunya with DPDS Special Science Elementary School Daily Newscast for the latest news and updates.